The Food and Drug Administration beams with pride over its many achievements the past year. But the FDA is still aiming for more and is making a serious push to establish the country's very own hub for medical manufacturers or pharmaceutical and medical devices. PTV's Alan Francisco has more.
Affordable medicines, support for micro, small, and medium enterprises or MSMEs, and ease of doing business. These are just some of the achievements shared by the Food and Drug Administration or FDA during the Bagong Pilipinas Ngayon program, highlighting their successes in 2024 and their plans for 2025. According to Director General Dr. Samuel Zacate, one of FDA's biggest accomplishments is the improvement of policies, such as the extension of the validity for the license to operate. Previously, the initial license was valid for 3 years with a 5-year renewal. Now, it has been extended to 6 years for the initial license and 12 years for renewal for distributors, manufacturers, and importers. Additionally, MSMEs can now apply for a 3-year initial license with a 6-year renewal for their businesses.
It will give more stability for the stakeholders in the company, for their product and for their operations to be more continuous, no, on top of our mandate to safeguard the public health through post-marketing survey. Kasi ini-inspect namin yan eh.
Along with this, the agency has initiated support for micro-small businesses in partnership with local governments, academic institutions, and cooperatives across the country. This is in line with the directive of President Ferdinand R. Marcos Jr., who ordered the FDA to support local products. They continue to advocate for the establishment of a national hub for local medical manufacturers of pharmaceutical and medical devices.
We also tapped one of the PEZA declared zone, which is in Victoria, Tarlac. We also had the office there and laboratory na ongoing na po ang construction at itatayo na rin po yun for this year, matatapos hopefully by this year, and we will launch eventually the ribbon cutting of the first ever PharmaDev zone at nangyari lang po yan sa panahon ni Bongbong Marcos.
The FDA also proudly highlighted the acceleration of the regulatory process for pharmaceutical exports and active pharmaceutical ingredients aimed at speeding up the approval of safe medicines. Meanwhile, the FDA is intensifying its focus on combating counterfeit medicines alongside initiatives to further expand the country's cosmetic industry. From PTV Manila, Alan Francisco, Balitang Pambansa.